Hi guys, welcome to Linux YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to work with AWS Cloudshell in Amazon Cloud. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is AWS Cloudshell and their use cases. So let me open the AWS Cloudshell intro from AWS website. So here it is my AWS Cloudshell. Yeah, I go this one. Okay, guys, see, as you can see, it is mentioned here that AWS Cloudshell is a browser-based shell that make it easy to securely manage, explore, and interact with your AWS resources. So Cloudshell is the pre-authenticated with your console credentials. It means you no need to authenticate again and again to use this option. Here we got common development and operations tools are pre-installed, so no local installation or configuration is required. With Cloudshell, you can quickly run a script with the AWS command line interface. I mean to say that is AWS CLI. So the point is here from where we can use it. So we can use Cloudshell right from your browser, our browser, and no additional cost. So we will do it, the demonstration lab related with this one. Okay, so let's talk about some benefits of using Cloudshell, why we move to the Cloudshell and why we have to use the Cloudshell. The first point is the main benefits is that no extra credentials to manage. What it means? It means Cloudshell inherits the credential of the user sign into the AWS management console, so there is no need to spend extra effort managing credentials locally. Second point is that automatically updates. That is a very important point. So automatically update means Cloudshell provide a fully managed Amazon Linux 2 environment that has the recent version of popular tools already installed and updated, so you don't need to patch the environment or update the pre-installed tools. Then the next one is no cost. What does it mean? It means Cloudshell provides with a browser-based shell to run scripts and command. It includes 1 GB of persistent storage per region at no extra cost to you. So you only pay for the AWS resources as you with the Cloudshell to create and run your applications. So no need to extra pay. And the last one is customizable. That it means with 1 GB of storage as per region, you can store scripts, file configuration, references, and additional tools in your home directory, and you can begin working immediately without customizing your environment every time you use the shell. Okay, so this is how the small kind of intro of this Cloudshell, and it is very good utility and good services. And one more thing, and one more last point I want to share with you, that it is not supported all available regions in our AWS cloud. So I will show you the list related that. See, so here's the list of AWS regions supported by AWS Cloudshell. So it is supported like in Northern Virginia, Ohio, North California, South America. So these are the region of list supported by the AWS Cloudshell, including Asia Pacific, Mumbai and Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo and Seoul. Okay, so it's all about the intro of AWS Cloudshell. Let's begin the lab session. So I just close it down and okay. So guys, this is my AWS web console, and currently I am in AWS Mumbai region. So if I click here, see, currently I am in Mumbai region. Okay, so if I got to my top right part of my web browser, see, look at that, I got Cloudshell here. So this is the Cloudshell. If I click here, it's started, it's going to be launched or started. Okay, but if I move to see, it is a message, welcome to AWS Cloudshell. Okay, no need it, I say close it. But suppose if I move to another environment, suppose I go to the let it be launched, creating the environment. Okay, so just wait for a minute. So guys, this is a kind of AWS Cloudshell environment. Okay, so now, but if just for the testing purpose, suppose if I go to the another location, I go back to my EC2 console, and suppose I go to the sure, AC Pacific sure. Okay. So you can see that till now it is not available. So here is not no any option of Cloudshell. So this is how you can check your supported AWS Cloudshell region. Okay. So now I go back on the Mumbai region one more time, and let's do some interesting practical with the Cloudshell. Okay. So once I click again on my Cloudshell environment, it will take some time and create the environment for me. Give some welcome message. Okay, so preparing your terminal and try this command to get started, AWS and then space command and then -CLI -auto prompt. Okay, so I have the command AWS version which show the current available AWS CLI console. So if I say AWS -version, look at that. It shows my current available AWS CLI console version, and suppose if I type echo $shell, look at that. It's tell me about the currently I'm using /bin bash. You can also change it as per your need, and the steps are just same whatever we are following the in Linux environment. Open your bash rc file and modify the things. Okay, so now I'm going to create a demo file for the testing purpose. So how can I do that? Say echo hi, this is my sample file. Okay, and say first.txt. okay, so now I can run, I can just view that it is ls. Okay, it is a first.txt, and I can view the content through cat command also. This is my simple file. Okay, suppose this is your script or code file which you write here, and if you want to download from your Cloudshell to the local machine, then how you can do that? So we have an option. We have to click on icon button. There is an option action, so we have to click on the action, and over there we have the option select the file, download file and upload the file. So we can click on the download for download the file, and we have the option we can also upload the file from my local machine to my Cloudshell environment. Okay, so for downloading the file I need to give the entire path of my file first. So what I did, I say I'm going to do is type pwd first. Okay, so this is home, this is the entire path /home/cloud user. I just copy that. Okay, now go to the again one more time in the action section, click on download file, give the entire path. So my path is this one / the file name is first.txt, and just simply click on the download, preparing download. Yeah, download is started and it's finished. Okay, so I can check it by click on this file. So I click on the first.txt. Yeah, hi, this is my sample file. So guys, this is how we can just simply download the file. And suppose if you have an option, you have a file, you want to upload it to my Cloudshell environment, so you can just go to the again action option and click on the upload button. So I click on the upload, and I have a file, so I can just upload it, but there is a message, your home directory's limit is 1 GB. So be remember your maximum upload file size limit should not be more than 1 GB. Okay, so now I select a file and go to the desktop folder. Under desktop I have might be some demo file. Let me check. There is a redhat.txt here, and now click on the upload. So uploading takes some time. Yeah, file upload successfully. Now I can close it. I run the ls command one more time. Here it is. So I have redhat.txt and first. So if I go with the cat redhat.txt, see, I love Red Hat. Okay, so guys, this is how I can download and upload the file from my Cloudshell environment. If I click on the action menu, I found out few more interesting options related to my tab layout. I will show you. See, I click on this one. See, new tab. So new tab means what? If I click on this, new tab will be open. See, yeah, another tab is open. Similarly, if I click split in the row and column option, here we have split into rows and columns. So if I click on split into row, yeah, it is in different in row. Suppose if I go split in column, this will be split in the different columns. Okay, and apart of that, we have one more interesting option. We have a restart AWS Cloudshell. See, restart AWS Cloudshell. So if I click on this one, I got the message restarting AWS Cloudshell will immediately stop all active session in your current AWS region. Okay, so if I click on this, it will immediately stop all active session in my current AWS region. No need it, so I say don't show me again. Take some time, and I got my files also, so no need to worry about that. It's just a restarting the process, so it will take some time. It will stop my all active session in my current AWS region, and then started the new session with my older files. So it's preparing your terminal, and now if I am back on my ls, I have my files. Okay, so you can also check the disk space, we have option df small h command, just like as similar in windows in linux, and here you can find out currently I have total size of 976 MB of my /home partition, where I have just used only 1%. So we have one more option, which is let me check, which is delete AWS Cloudshell home directory. If I click on this, it gives me a message. So are you sure to confirm? Delete, delete. So it gives me a message, deleting your home directory will delete all data currently stored in your AWS Cloudshell environment. This action cannot be done. So AWS Cloudshell stop all active session in the current AWS region and creates a new environment immediately. So I go to the delete, and guys, be sure about this one. Once you use this option, all data will gone. Okay, it is just not like as a restart. So this is the few interesting options which is available in the action button, and let it be load. I will show you a few more things. Yeah, preparing your terminal, and now if I run the ls command, booms, it's all gone. Okay, so if you want to change your font size and shell color layout, we can modify from just right side from the action option. We have to click on this button. So if I click it, we find out there are lots of options like font size, and you can change your AWS Cloudshell theme. So for the testing purpose, I select the light. Let's see what happened when I select light and set confirm. See, it's changed. It's in black and white combination. So it is very good and looks pretty good. So now move to the next and the last part, which is we can create Amazon S3 bucket using AWS Cloudshell and add the files as an object in this bucket. Okay, so we have the option, we can give the complete tutorial knowledge from the AWS Cloudshell guide also. We have the option create S3 bucket from AWS Cloudshell. See, here we have getting started with the AWS Cloudshell, and under this we have lots of options. What is Cloudshell, getting started, and if you scroll down, all other steps are mentioned here. See, launch a managed console, and you use AWS CLI to add the file in object in Amazon S3 bucket. So here we have the commands related with whatever the command we can run using your AWS Cloudshell environment. Okay, so I'm go back to the AWS Cloudshell again. So now I'm going to create a bucket in specified region AWS. So for this we have a command like to create a bucket in specified AWS region, enter the following command. So I just copy from there, and let us start. Let me show you my S3 bucket first. So I type S3, Let me check the current condition of my S3 bucket. So now I don't have currently any bucket, S3 bucket in my account. Okay, so see, bucket is 0. So what I'm going to do, I just copy and paste the command, whatever I copy over there. AWS S3 API create bucket hyphen bucket, and now you have to mention your bucket name, which should be unique and globally, and say East -1, that is North Virginia, and I click on here and set my bucket name. Should be Linux KEOOGLE Google 123. I think it should be unique. Let's see. Yeah, it's created. Okay, so just try to compare the output. It says in the next line, it says that if the call is successful, the command will display as a response from the service similar to the following output: location and the insert unique bucket name here. So I got the same output here, so location and the bucket name. So if I go to my S3 bucket again, if I refresh it, let's see. Yeah, here it is, Linux Google 123. It is in used US East North Virginia. Object can be publicly accessed. Okay, so this is how we can create a simple S3 bucket also from the AWS Cloudshell. In the same way, from the Cloudshell I can list the all available S3 bucket, and I can upload the files from here. So I say AWS S3 ls command. So it shows me the list of available S3 buckets. So currently I have only one, so that's why it is showing you Linux Google 123. Now I can create a demo file from Cloudshell and synchronize it from my newly created S3 bucket. So I go with echo and try hi, this is just for testing, okay. So the file name is say test. Okay, now I say cat test. Here this is the just for testing. Okay, so for synchronize I can run the command AWS, and then we have S3 sync. The file name, if you want to synchronize everything, you can put up dot here. Dot means your current location, Linux. Select the Google, select your bucket name. So we have Linux Google 123. So once I press enter, see, path is not match. Okay, let me check. Okay, sorry, it's a 3 time. Okay, typo mistake. Here it is. Give me one more time. AWS S3. Let me copy. Okay, AWS S3 synchronize, then the file name or your object name S3, and then we have to paste. Linux does not exist. What is the file name? Sorry, in my case the file name is, it's not file name is test. So you can to put up your file name. So here AWS S3 synchronize your file name. In my case the file name is test and your bucket name. So once I press enter, let's see, file does not exist. Again I got the same error. What happened? AWS S3 synchronize, we have a file name. Let me check that one more time. Yeah, it's there. AWS S3 synchronize, file name is test, or we can, the option we can use dot also, S3 and bucket name. So I'm using this time dot. Okay, everything is moved from here to the my bucket. So once I go and refresh it, let it be checked, say Linux Google, and here it is. It's synchronized each and everything, including my bash logout, bash profile, bash rc, zrc, and here's the test file. Okay, so if I just select it and I can open, I can read the content of that file, whatever's there. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use and work with AWS Cloudshell in Amazon Cloud. And finally, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another interesting new topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please leave your comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.